Yo, what is up everybody? And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can see your Spotify song history, and in another word, how to see your recently played song. So it's pretty simple, so you guys can follow these steps. The first thing you wanna do is click on where it says your library. You wanna click on your library and you wanna go to any playlist you want. So let's say I wanna go to Kevin's playlist, which I created. I'm gonna go on Kevin's playlist and I wanna click on the three dot at the top. Once I click on the three dot at the top, I want to click on where it says add song with the plus icon over here. I want to click on add songs. Once I click on add songs, I want to scroll at the right until I see recently played over here, just like this. Recently played, and over here it's going to show me all the songs which I have recently played. So that's basically how you guys can see or view your recently played songs on Spotify. It's that simple. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to our channel for more Spotify related content.